So transferring money directly from Cashapp to PayPal isn't currently supported, as both platforms are separate and don't allow direct wallet-to-wallet transfers between them. So here's how to transfer money from Cashapp to PayPal using a bank account. What you should need is that you need first a Cashapp account and also a PayPal account. And the most important part is that you must have a linked bank account connected to both Cash App and PayPal. And for that, this is how you transfer it. You should go log into your PayPal account and open the app. Tap on the wallet section, which you can see right here. After that is you need to um, add money or send payments and enter the same amount you sent from your Cash App. Confirm and wait for 1 to 3 business days, as this is the standard time for that.